Did you make another one, bud?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Let's see. You want to show me? Good job. Okay, let's go put it in. Oh, I gotta get it all set up for you. Hang on, let's move this out of the way. Right here, bud. This hole right here.
Uh-oh. Now where Daddy is.
Okay, and in that hole there. Good job. Okay, let's build another one. Hey, PJ. Okay. All right. And okay, that hole there, please. Avery putting together her own swing set. What do you think, Avery? You want to see? Good job.